Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In these installation instructions, we will walk you through the installation process of a front air strut for a Tesla Model S with rear-wheel drive and with or without Performance Plus. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle. Then disable the air suspension system and deflate the applicable front strut following the manufacturer's instructions. Now remove the applicable front wheel as well as the applicable front trunk trim panels to gain access to the strut top mount nuts. Next, disconnect the air line from the valve and unroot the wheel speed sensor wire from the spindle. Now remove the lower strut mount bolt and disconnect the spindle from the upper wishbone. Disconnect the brake line from the bracket on the strut and remove the 3 top nuts from the strut. Now remove the strut from the vehicle to complete the removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Now first remove the white shipping pin from the air fitting on the new Arnott strut. Install the new Arnott strut into the vehicle. Next, loosely install the top nuts to hold the strut in place. Ensure that the studs are placed into the pattern marked air on the strut tower. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Insert the airline into the air fitting and install the lower strut bolt. Next, reconnect the spindle to the wishbone. Reroute the brake line to the strut bracket and reroute the wheel speed sensor wire to the spindle bracket. Now tighten the top nuts. Then enable the air suspension system and inflate it. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing a Tesla front air strut from Arnott. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.